everyone, and welcome to my September online class to go. So this month, if you place an order for a minimum of $39 of Stampin' Up product, that's before shipping and tax, I will send you the supplies to make this super gift. So it is a lovely little holder, which then will contains 3 note cards plus envelopes. So I will send you the supplies for these. That's basically the card embellishments and envelopes, ribbon. However, it will not include any stamping because I'm not permitted to do that. If you place the order, you will get a PDF with a video with the recipes, and then, as I say, I will supply the card, etc., for you to make this lovely free gift. So if you want to create them exactly using the supplies stamp set I have, then it is the Handmade Hugs stamp set with the coordinating hand tag punch. Should you place your order for those items, that would be $41 before shipping and tax. If you would prefer to have maybe the stamp set, the embossing folder, the exposed bricks embossing folder, and the crushed curry ink, that would be exactly $39 before shipping and tax. So check out below, you'll find a link to my online store. When you've placed your order, I'll be delighted to send you all the supplies for this free class. Well, thank you, and I look forward for you joining me in September. Bye-bye.